is why I love a glueless wig, because you can just So today I'm filming myself as if I'm a sitcom and I'm the main character. How exciting is that? To think that there was a point in my life I did not eat avocados. And guess what? At both of my grandparents' houses, maternal and paternal, they had amazing avocado trees. They were the size of my head, these avocados. Very creamy, very sweet. And I claimed I did not eat avo. And then I got to college where I had to cook for myself, clean for myself, blah, blah, blah. I didn't need to buy avocados. They just would fall from the tree and rot because there were just too many, with just so many of us in the household. That really truly breaks my heart that I have to buy avos here for like $10 for 5 small tiny little ones, whereas at my grandparents' house is the size of my head. I'm not even joking or exaggerating. Bruh, can you imagine the skincare I would be doing? Like fresh avo mixed with turmeric mask on my face. I cannot do that here because they're so expensive. I feel like I need to buy a wig stand too. Oh, that's so freeing. This is why I love a glueless wig, because you can just and go about your business and then put it back on when you're ready to go. Heading back to work now. Oh, I look crusty, guys. My skincare. We are at the Sunken Gardens. This place is pretty special because the first time I came here to Lincoln, I don't know if you can hear me because there's so much wind in cars going past. But the first time I came here to Lincoln, my parents brought me here. I would not mind getting married under this dome. Baby, the sound of you, better than a homie. I want you off my mind. And on me, holding me closer than we've ever been before. This ain't a dream, you're here with me. Boy, you don't get no better than you. For you, I wanna take my time all night. I wanna love you.
from out the gutter, middle fingers on six.
This is to keep your wig in. Love me for you. Oh, and then this is for claw clips. Why is not focusing? There we go. Claw clips. When you're laying your wig down, you've got this band. I suppose this is to increase the size of your wig. I guess you can put this in your car. This is small. Oh, this is nice. They put some tapes for you to, if you don't want to use glue. And then you also have this wig caps. I guess these are 2 of them. This is so cool. And then this is just a thank you note and how to care for your wigs. This is really, really nice. I like this. And then you can use a brush before washing. Use warm water and shampoo and conditioner. Air dry or blow dry 80%. Apply hair oil and then store your wig away. I really like it. It's very classy. I love that it's got the highlight. It's a natural color with brown highlights. I'm probably gonna recurl it to my own liking because I like volume, and curls I feel add a bit more volume. But so far so good. It already came pre-plucked and with the lace cut already, so I love that about the wig. I've heard good things about Luvme hair. My mom also buys from them and her hair is always laid, honey. So yeah, this was the 12-inch. Very pretty. I cannot wait to rock this.